We are now living in the age of artificial intelligence. AI has evolved beyond being just a technology, becoming a driving force that revolutionizes our lives and industries as a whole. AI is already making significant contributions across various fields. In healthcare, it enables early disease diagnosis. In finance, it detects fraudulent transactions. And in manufacturing, it optimizes processes to enhance efficiency. From our everyday smartphones and recommendation algorithms to autonomous vehicles and virtual assistants, AI has become deeply embedded in our everyday lives. What happens when AI is integrated into mobile communications? AI will transform communication networks in ways we cannot yet imagine, making them more flexible and intelligent. Networks that can perceive, adapt, and make decisions on their own. From managing base stations to delivering personalized services, AI brings intelligence to every part of the mobile network. Mobile communication is evolving, from simply connecting devices to truly understanding data, context, and behavior. The change has already begun, and the future of mobile communications may become unimaginable without AI.